Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to merge two pictures in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of Pixlr where we can get started with logging into our account. So in the upper right corner we have the login option. If you want, you can go ahead and start creating a new account by creating your account, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can open up the photo editor. So as you can see, here is the AI photo editor, and as you can see we can now go ahead and open it up by clicking on it right here. That's going to open up this new menu where we can go ahead and get started with opening up the image that we want to use for editing. So go ahead and select the image from your PC if you want, and after that let's go ahead and open it up in the edit menu. So it's going to open up in the edit menu. As you can see, here is the toolbar with all the options that we can use for arranging our image, cropping, cutout, and so on. So we can now get started with editing it for merging. Basically guys, if you want to enable a merge between your pictures, you want to set it up for the merge, so you can use a lot of the effects right here that are going to enable you to merge those pictures. So you can go ahead and filter out some parts of your image, or you can go ahead and retouch them so that they look better at the ends where you want to merge them. You can draw on them, liquify, and do whatever you need. After that you can go ahead and get started with adding a new layer. After adding a new layer guys, you can start adding your second image. After you add your second image, now you'll be able to turn those two images into one layer and put them one next to another and merge those images. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.